Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every setback is a setup for a comeback.
Life will knock you down. Okay, that's life. It's not about avoiding the hits, but about bouncing back stronger each time. They say if you get hit, then land on your back. Because if you can look up, then you can get up. And if you can get up after setbacks, then nothing in life can
The key is this. Remember where you came from. Keep that shit in the front of your mind. And when shit goes bad, it goes sideways, you get booed out of the building, people will be writing you off. You gotta keep it in here.
Getting knocked down don't mean you stay down. Take a few hits, it's okay. Learn how to take a punch. Learn how to fight back. Learn how to get back. Don't give in to these things that you feel is pushing you down. Getting back up is the mission that you must be focused on.
Let me tell you something. Life has knocked me down a few times. It showed me things I never wanted to see. I've experienced sadness and failures. But one thing for sure, I will always get back up.
The greater the pain, the greater the power. If you're gonna have the power, you gotta be prepared to deal with the pain. The pain is a part of the power.
Write down what you need to do in order to make a better life for yourself. And be brave enough to do those things.
I dare you to take a stand today to say no more. I will no longer accept this for my life. I dare you to take action today.
You have to decide that you are going to be in control, that you are going to do what you want to do. Weakness doesn't get a vote. Laziness doesn't get a vote. Everyone wants some life hack that eliminates the need to do the work, but that does not exist. No, you have to do the work.
There's only one thing you cannot purchase. There's only one thing you cannot buy, and that's what real beef do. That's something you're gonna have to do.
You gotta put more energy and you gotta put more effort in your stuff than anybody. So you getting up at 4 and it ain't working. Get up at 3:30. So you read the book once and then you didn't get it. Read it twice. Read it 3 times.
If a person leaves at 6, you leave at 8. If a person makes 100 calls a day, you make 200 calls a day. If somebody practices 3 hours, you practice 5 hours.
As you focus on that which you want to do, that which we focus on, that which we give our energy to, it will begin to multiply. It will begin to expand. It will begin to develop your consciousness. And out of that comes your greatness. Out of that comes a commitment. Out of that comes a passion for life. Out of that comes a special power that you have in you.
Whatever you've been through, whatever you're going through, use that pain, that frustration and that anger and channel it into becoming the best version of you. You can either let that use you or you can use it. Whatever's happened in the past does not dictate what is going to happen in your future. Use all of the frustration, all of the anger, all of the resentment and channel it into being the best version of you. Prove the ones that doubted you wrong. Prove to yourself you have what it takes and start creating the life that you want to live and being that person that you know that you can be deep down. It is on you. Today, draw the line in the sand. Let go of whatever's happened and start channeling all of that into being the best version of you.